Hey guys, it's Coach Adam here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the most important aspects of basketball. It's probably not talked about as much as somebody that can shoot really good or defend really well. But you know what? It's conditioning. Now some may ask why conditioning is so important, right? The average basketball game, you run 2.5 miles. So imagine going to a track and running 8 times as fast as you can. That's a basketball game, and you have to be really prepared to do that. So now I'm gonna show you guys some light conditioning, a couple of stretches, and maybe even just jog in place a little bit. I know given the times we're in, it's really hard to go to a basketball court or a football field and get some jogging in. So let's just do the best with what we have right now. Make sure you guys follow the timer on the screen. We're going to be doing jogging into place. And even though it may not seem like a lot, trust me, if you do it repetitively, you will feel the workout. So now we're going to continue with high knees. Now when you're doing high knees, you want to make sure that you're bringing up your knee as high as possible at about a 90-degree angle. And you'll want to continue to do this for about 30 seconds as well. Make sure you watch the timer on the screen. Great job so far. Here's one more exercise for running into place. This one is a backside kick. So what you want to do is make sure you're standing in place. And when you start running into place, make sure you make your foot reach your glute. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Remember that conditioning is essential to your physical and your mental health. And also, if you guys are feeling a little sore from conditioning, be sure to drink some non-fat chocolate milk to help your muscles. And besides from watching my conditioning video, be sure to check out everyone else's videos. STEM with James, or Leadership with Leo, and also some of Jasper's videos. So, thank you guys for tuning in.